everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, and welcome to the New Year's edition of Thirsty Thursday. What have we got, Jamie?
Today we are making the Sparkling Poinsettia. Pretty easy New Year's cocktail. So you're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. It's like an orange-based liqueur.
Nice.
Then you're gonna go with some sparkling champagne, prosecco, whatever you have.
Happy New Year!
Gonna fill that up about 3/4 of the way with that.
So this is a nice alternative from just champagne or sparkling wine. Just kind of adds a little touch of flair to it, and you'll be able to impress your friends.
And the color, to give it that poinsettia, is gonna be topped off with some cranberry juice.
Nice.
There we go.
All right, let's give this a shot.
That's it. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's.
That's good.
Yeah, very prosecco-y.
Good. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, everyone. Cheers.